Good morning, folks. Welcome to Quantsapp. This is Vicky Sajnani. Let's get started with the morning market brief. 17,851, 0.07% drop in Nifty 50 Futures, roughly a flat move. 40,737, 58 points down was Nifty Bank Futures, 0.14% down. So we had a kind of a flattish day as far as on the closing basis. As far as Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank are concerned, SGX Nifty is pointing to a 71 points cut. Let's see where the NSE futures open up, but then looks like initial morning में थोड़ा negative shade आ रहा है. Looking at Nifty Futures chart, 17,500 is a major level on the lower side, 17,200. 17,800 is the intermittent support. So you have 17,800, 500 and 200 as the major levels on the lower side. On the higher side, you have 18,000, 18,200 and 18,500. Well, looking at the open interest picture from futures, you are seeing reasonable short. थोड़े short आए हैं market में. Looking at open interest, 18,000 call has a substantial call OI. Other than that, 17,900 also has a reasonable call OI. So that's going to be a stiff point for the markets to go up, in the sense that you have 17,900 and 18,000 as two resistance points on the higher side. Supports being 17,800 and 17,500. BankNifty. So you have 40,500, 40,000 thereabouts. That's the range where it's going to be a bit supportive as such. So you have 40,500 cracks, and the next major level is close to 40,000. That's 39,718. On the higher side, you have 42,036 and 43,072. Well, a bit of long unwinding, which has happened yesterday. So there was some longs which were built up earlier on. तो थोड़ा बहुत long unwinding हुई है. तो वो पिछले longs जो थे वो निकल गए market से, ऐसा लग रहा है. So you have shorts which are there in the market as of now. Let's see the open interest picture from options. 41,000 strike has a substantial call OI. 41,500 also has a reasonable call OI. So that's these are the two major levels on the higher side. On the lower side, you have 40,500 and 40,000 as the put OIs. Top gainers, losers, IEX, NTPC, Siemens. Losers में ABFRL, Can Bank, Adani Enterprises. Well, looking at the sectoral contribution to Nifty, 22 points, close to 23 points negative contribution from IT, 5 points negative contribution from auto, positive contribution coming in from oil of about 15 points. So you had a negative contribution from PSU banks, pharma, cement. Looking at the built-up scenario, capital goods and oil on the long side, realty, media, PSU banks on the short side. You have a stock called SBI, supported at 518, 520 levels, and the next major level is 500. On the higher side, resistance 540, 558, 571. So the counter could be under downward pressure or bear pressure. अगर RSI भी देखे तो थोड़ा मतलब, it possibly showed a divergence, tried to go up, but then it's collapsing again. So if it propagates, then you have a pressure on this counter. 520 is the support zone, 520, 518. So once that cracks, then you have 500 as a major level. All these tools are available on basically Quantsapp, and there are 25 plus free tools. You could register on that. There's going to be an iCard popping up which you could use to register for these tools as such, and you could also do these analysis at your end. So looking at the open interest picture, again, you are seeing shorts continuously. Well, looking at the options OI, you are seeing a substantial call OI at 600 and 550 has a OI also. So let's see how that pans out. On the lower side, you have 500 as the major level, which is the put OI. Okay. The other stock is Gujarat Gas. 520 happens to be the resistance point, 518, 520. And then 541 is the next major level. Supports being 472 and 448. So all in all, 520 के ऊपर अगर निकलता है तो इसमें अच्छी गुंजाइश है कि भाई ये थोड़ा मोमेंटम दिखा है, पॉजिटिव मोमेंटम. Gujarat Gas. Well, we are not seeing substantial built up in the OI as far as OI picture is concerned from futures end. Well, there has been a lot of unwinding which has happened in the calls. But then you have 510 and 520 as the two major levels on the higher side. You have 500 as the support zone. Securities in the ban list, idea. Before I wrap up the session, I would like to highlight to you, please consult your financial advisor before trading in derivatives. And also, please follow strict stop losses while trading in derivatives. So we discussed about SBI and Gujarat Gas. And ban list, we found idea as the stock which is in the ban list. Sectoral long capital goods and oil. Short built up PSU banks, realty media. Nifty and BankNifty ranges were discussed. Well, that's it from my side. Wish you happy trading and all the best.